Hello friends! Aloe vera is a natural ingredient. Aloe vera gel is very beneficial for your skin and hair. Today I will tell you many benefits of aloe vera. Let's start. Primer. Apply fresh aloe vera gel as a primer. Before applying foundation, it makes your makeup last longer. Long lashes. If you apply fresh aloe vera gel on your eyelashes daily, so within few days your eyelashes will start growing. Hair mask. Fresh aloe vera gel ivory beneficial for your hair. It removes dryness and frizziness of your hair and makes your hair shiny. Apply once a week for best results. Clear skin. If you want clear skin, apply fresh aloe vera gel on your face daily. Fresh aloe vera gel fights acne and minimizes open pores. Face mask. This mask will help your skin glowing. Fresh aloe vera gel plus vitamin E oil. You can use this mask as a moisturizer after washing your face. Wrinkles. Its regular use reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines that appear on the skin after sun exposure. Moisturizer. You can use fresh aloe vera gel as a moisturizer. Use only natural aloe vera gel. Grow aloe vera plant at home. Natural aloe vera gel is better than market aloe vera gel. I hope these tips are useful for you. Let me know in the comments section. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Like and share with your friends.